Tamalou is a mobile application aiming to help the dependent people like disabled or elders, collecting the information related to illness like medicine details, medical and administrative documents. There are supportive features like group chat, agenda, media and mails. Here comes the registration option. Let us go through that. Only the registered users can access all the app features. In this registration screen, we have to fill all the required fields. After submission, the user needs to confirm the registration by email. Let us go through the login option. Now I am going to log into this Tamalou app using my credentials. User authentications are taken by Tamalou backend REST API. Here comes the group list page. After successful login, user lands in the group list page. Users can create a group and invite people in various roles like care receiver, relatives, helpers and auxiliaries. Each role have restricted permissions. Each group is listed with its name and an indication of the user's role. Now I'm going to create a new group as test and invite a care receiver alone. In this process, we send the group invitation to a person via email or SMS. Using this invitation, a new number can register with Tamalou and join the group very easily. Here comes the chat feature. This chat feature gives advantage to communicate with other group members instantly and notify in specific if needed. We also can share text, images, audio, video and documents to other people in the group. Here comes the feature agenda. The main purpose of this feature is to create and manage events and to do for this group. The admin of the group can only create and share an event with other group members. There is another feature named as media. We can list all media files, documents which are shared in chat, agenda, and so on. Users can view and download the files easily. Here comes the main feature, mail. Mail feature is that the group admin is the only authorized person who can manage all communications of care receiver, who is the patient or elders. The care receiver is not supposed to manage the communications due to age or illness. On behalf of the care receiver, the group admin can manage all his or her communications through this mail. Example, due to care receiver's illness, the group admin can schedule an appointment with doctor and continuously manage the follow-ups. Configuring an email. The group admin is the only person who can configure the care receiver's email with this group, and Tamalou allow one email ID to configure with only one group. Now I'm going to configure a Gmail ID with this group using this option, configure email. Entering my personal email ID and password. Our Tamalou backend developed in Python and Django. So we have used Google authorized SDK for handling this OAuth process with end users to get consent and OAuth token as per Google guideline. Completed the configuration, and now I am going to check the mails of this configured email ID. We have used Python IMAP library to connect with Gmail server and fetch the emails using this OAuth tokens shows up here directly, whereas none of the email informations are stored in our Tamalou database. The group admin needs to view or read the emails on behalf of the CAR receiver, so that we need permission to access the Gmail. Group admin can take the required action only by reading the content of the email. Also, the group admin needs to send an email to doctor or CAR receiver relatives from this email on behalf of CAR receiver, so that we need send permissions from Google. The group admin also need to reply or forward the particular emails to others. However, the group admin need to remove unwanted email threads, so that we need delete or remove permission from Gmail. Here comes the four important options which are required to view any emails: inbox, draft, sent box, and spams. Whereas inbox to check out the newly received messages, and draft is to check the messages which are composed but not sent, and sent box is to verify whether our composed email is sent or not, and spam to check if there is any unwanted emails that might be useful. Coming to the important feature of removing a configured account. Removing an configured account. The group admin can only remove the configured mail account within this group at any time using this option delete account. Thank you.